Struggling to find where to edit your domain contacts in Namecheap? I will show you exactly where to click in under 60 seconds. We will start from the Namecheap homepage, then navigate through your account to the domain list, and finally access the contacts. Let us go. First, head over to the Namecheap homepage. This is your starting point every time you need to manage your domains. You want to be logged into your account first, of course. Once you are there, you will see the main navigation bar at the top.
Next, locate the Account button in that top navigation. It is usually right up there on the right-hand side. Go ahead and click on that. Think of this as your control center for everything related to your account and your purchases. From the Account menu that drops down, find the option that says Domain List. Click on that. This is the command center for all of your registered domains. You will see a list of every domain you own with Namecheap, which is very handy.
Now, for the specific domain you want to update, look over to the right side of the row. You will see a button that says Actions. Click on that drop-down menu. This is where all the important management tools for that domain live. In that drop-down menu, select Domain Contacts. This is the exact spot you have been looking for. Now, here's where it gets a little interesting. You might expect to see all your contact info right away, but we need to switch views first. After clicking Domain Contacts, you will be on a new screen. Look for a tab or section that says Products and click on that. This organizes the contact information by different types. Finally, click on All to see every single contact field at once. This shows you everything you need to verify or change. Now you can review and edit each contact type. You will see sections for Registrant Contact, Administrative Contact, Technical Contact, and Billing Contact. I have tested this process many times, and it is important to know that for most people, you can safely set all of these to the same information. Just make sure the email address is one you check regularly, because Namecheap will send verification emails to that address. Once you have made your changes, do not forget to scroll down and click the Save Changes button. I cannot tell you how many times I have almost forgotten to hit save. Double-check that the contact's updated by scrolling back up and reviewing the fields again. If you made changes to the email, Namecheap will send a verification link to both the old and new addresses. Make sure you complete that verification to keep everything current.
And there you have it. No more digging through menus or guessing where everything is. You now know exactly how to access and update your domain contacts in Namecheap in under a minute. Thanks for watching.